Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about the refractive index. Refractive index is the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. Normally, refractive index is denoted by the letter N. N is equal to C by V, whereas C indicates the speed of light in vacuum. V indicates the speed of light in medium. Okay, the ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in medium is called as the refractive index. Okay, children. And here N is equal to C by V, whereas C is the C value is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It is a constant value, children. The speed of light in vacuum is constant, always same. That is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And as we have seen that there are many refractive index. The refractive index for the different materials is different, children. That is, refractive index of air is 1.0003. Okay, and here it is benzene. Okay, 1.52. Okay, like that we are having the different refractive indices for the different materials. Okay, like that. Therefore, here next today will be. Yesterday we have solved few problems, children, based on the refractive index. Based on the refractive index, we solved few problems. Therefore, today we will go with some more problems, children. Today we will go with some more problems. Okay, right. Here, children. Okay. Benzene is 1.50, children, and here the ice is 1.31, the refractive index. Like that we have seen, children. Yesterday I gave a problem. Saying that. Okay. Yesterday I gave a problem saying that the refractive index of water is 1.33. Find the velocity of light in water. Okay, children. Right. Like that, today we'll go with some more problems, children. Here, okay. Problem. The speed of light in benzene is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index. Children, in the previous class, in the last class, we learned a problem that, okay, the refractive index is given. And here he asked to find the velocity of light. But in this problem, here he had given the velocity of light, children, and he is asking to find the refractive index. Okay, how to find? Normally, refractive index N is equal to C by V. We know the value C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, children? Okay, N is equal to C by V. That is, C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Here, refractive index of benzene we should find. Here, C by velocity of benzene. Okay, children. Therefore, here we don't know the refractive index of benzene, but we know the value of C, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, and here 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is the speed of light of in benzene. Therefore, here 10 to the power of 8, 10 to the power of 8 cancel. 3 by 2, 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and here 1 will be there, 2 5s are 10. What is this children? 1.5 or 1.50. Therefore, here like this, if whenever when we know the speed of light, we can find the refractive index. If we know the refractive index, we can find the speed of light. Okay, right. This is about the refractive index of light. Okay, finding out the refractive index of light of benzene. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, children. Right. Okay, right. Next, children, one more problem. One more problem we see. We go with one more problem. Here the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Okay, children, the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. Is 2.42. Okay, find its velocity of light. Find its velocity of light. Velocity of light. Okay, here N is equal to C by V. Here it is diamond. Refractive index of diamond is equal to C by V of diamond. Here already we know the refractive index of diamond, that is 2.42. That is equals to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by velocity of diamond. Here velocity of diamond is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second by 2.4. Okay, children, 2.4. Now here, children, just you divide 3 by 2.42, children. Okay, just you divide 3 by 2.4. Now how we can write here? 3 by 242 by 100 into 10 to the power of 8. We can write this as 300 by 242 into 10 to the power of 8. Therefore, here 242 by 300 by 242. 300 by 242 into 10 to the power of 8. 242 means here we will be getting something 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Okay, children, here 300 by 242. Okay, children, here when we calculate, we get 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Therefore, here the velocity of light in diamond is 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, children. Okay, this is about the problem related to the refractive index, children. Okay, right. Therefore, children, you should make a note of all these problems. Try to practice the problems, whatever that are given. Okay, such that it will be helpful in the examination point of view. Okay, Thank you. Have a nice day.